y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Lavish, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing my Lavish Curls Honey Growth Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. As you guys know, this is from my hair care line Lavish Curls Beauty, so I'm going to go ahead and review it. This is just the inside of the product. As you guys can see, I've used quite a bit because of course I love my deep conditioner. It has this nice creamy consistency. It has a ton of slip for easy detangling. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I used my Lavish Curls African Black Soap shampoo for that. And I always do this when it comes to deep conditioning. I like to apply the deep conditioner all over my hair first. And what that does is, for us kinky hair girls who hair dries out really fast and has tangles, when you apply your deep conditioner all over your hair first, it really helps to saturate the hair. It helps to provide moisture, and it helps to loosen up those tangles so that you don't have any further tangles, and that it's easier to glide through your hair once you get to the detangling steps. So I always apply my deep conditioner all over. And this is an amazing deep conditioner just because of course it has slip. It's made with mango butter in it, which is super moisturizing. It also has castor oil, which is going to help thicken your hair. And as you guys know, this is more of a hair growth product. Is from the hair growth collection, so it's going to help stimulate hair growth. It has aloe vera juice in it. Aloe vera juice is very hydrating. It's repairing to the strands. It gives your hair shine, so I really love aloe vera juice. It also has honey in it, which is a humectant. It's going to help draw moisture into your hair so that once you rinse it out, your hair isn't left feeling dry. So as you guys can see, it takes me a while to work my deep conditioner in all over. My hair is very thick, so I work it in real good. So once it's all worked in, I can go ahead and detangle. I split my hair into two sections, and I start with the back section, and usually I will apply a little bit more deep conditioner to each section. That way it gives my hair just a little bit more slip and it's easier to work with. I have found that detangling my hair with a tangle teaser is a lifesaver. If you have thick hair, please get you a tangle teaser. It makes the process easier. So as you guys can see, I'm just taking a little bit more of my deep conditioner, applying it root to ends, and I'm going to start with the ends of my hair and work my way up and detangle. Lots of slip. It makes it really easy to glide through. This deep conditioner smells really good. It has like this little peppermint scent to it, but it's not too tingly on the scalp. So good consistency, good feeling on the scalp. I'm going ahead and twisting up my section so I don't further tangle my hair, and I'm just going to repeat that all over. So like I was saying, it has mango butter in it, which is super moisturizing, and it helps to really soften your hair. It also has burdock extract, nettle extract, and those really help to stimulate hair growth. They help to stop hair loss. It blocks DHT, which causes hair loss. So just all over really amazing if you're really trying to stimulate hair growth. Like I said, it has castor oil in it, so it's going to help thicken up your hair. It has sweet almond oil, apricot kernel oil, tea tree oil, peppermint oil, rosemary oil, and lavender oil, which are all really good stimulants for helping to grow your hair. So yeah, I'm just detangling it section by section. You know the drill. And as you can see, I'm working through these sections pretty fast. I'm not taking super small sections either. That's why I love the Tangle Teaser. It's very wide, so you can glide through that hair. And then also being paired with a deep conditioner that has slip, you're going to breeze through the deep conditioning phase. You shouldn't be taking forever. Like, it's going to be a breeze. Also, it's so moisturizing that you only have to leave this on for 30 minutes. Wash day is cut down. You don't have to worry about leaving this in for an hour. You can if you want to, but my recommended time is just 30 minutes. So yeah, y'all, just continuing going in those sections, detangling my hair, and you're going to see me fast forward to the other side of my head because, you know, it's pretty much repetitive at this point. So just detangling that last section, twisting it up, and that's just so my hair doesn't get tangled. It stays in its sections and it stays more manageable this way. So finishing up that last twist, and I'm going to move on to the other side of my head. And I've seen such a huge improvement in my hair since using my deep conditioner. Like the elasticity, the shine, the curl definition, all of that has improved so much. So as you can see, I twisted up the other side. I detangled section by section, I'm going to twist it up, and I'm going to put a shower cap over my head. That helps to lock in the moisture. You don't want that moisture escaping, okay? And then I'm just going to be setting my alarm clock for 30 minutes so that I can deep condition. And afterwards, I just rinse my hair with very cold water. And then I put my turban on once I get out the shower, and these are the results that I'm left with. My hair feels still moisturized. It helps seal in the moisture because that honey and that aloe vera juice, the elasticity is restored. My hair feels nice and soft. It feels amazing, you guys. So amazing. So if you haven't already checked out my brand, Lavish Curls Beauty, I will have it linked in the description box below. Get your hands on this Honey Growth Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. And yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye, guys.